Yes, good afternoon. I'm here in Galleria Mall. I just want to see the Christmas decor. I'll go outside and then I need to go to beside the beach. And they only have Christmas tree. I don't really have the nice Christmas decor this year. Last year they have a nice Christmas decor, but now we didn't have only Christmas tree. I'll go out because I want to walk beside the beach. So that's really yung hanging there. Hanging there. I don't have the the water open. The water is not open. And the water is open. See? I'll go out so that I can see the water. The stairs with the water.